One cup yellow lentil. 1 cup white lentil. Wash properly. Soak for 4 hours. Add soaked dal. 1 cup water. Grind well. Beat well for 3 to 4 minutes. When it floats on water, it is perfect. 1 teaspoon carom seeds. 1 tablespoon salt. Mix well. Cooking oil. Fry on low to medium flame until crispy. Refrigerate for up to 1 month. Add phulkiyan. Water. Soak in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Grams yogurt. 1 tablespoon green chutney. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup water. Mix well. Add soaked phulkiyan. Sprinkle chopped masala.